Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, the Codetastic. Today we'll be seeing the part 4 of 3 useful sites. So let's get started with the first one, which is quillbot.com. So this site is a paraphraser. So they have a text box given for you, and then you can enter a text and it will correct it for you. So as you can see, like I'm going to show it. So I've entered a text and then I'm clicking on the button and then it will show you the changed version of it. So as you can see, it has changed certain stuffs in the sentence that I have given. So like you can click on some of them and then you can change if you don't like the one which it has shown. So this way it will help you to change your sentences in a better way. So there are many options, but they are in the premium one. You can purchase them if you want. The second website is wolframalpha.com. So this site is an educational site. So as you can see, they have many options given over here. For example, mathematics, science, technology, and there are many more also. So here I am showing a demo of elementary math. So I'm choosing an option. So this is a multiplication statement. So here you can change the numbers and you can get statements. It's more than just a normal calculator for this particular topic. As you can see, they have more information given for the answer. And the third site for today is codecademy.com. So this site will help you to learn coding. There are many coding languages and then they allow you to learn all of them. So as you can see, you can create an account and then you can start learning. There are many options given over here. You can check out for more in the resources. So you can choose whichever language you want and then they have reading material given for you. They also have some videos so you can just check them out. So as you can see here, I'm showing you for HTML. They even provide you with certificate and there are many levels on it. So you can learn them easily. So I hope you like this tutorial of my channel. If so, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.